Hello students, welcome in our new session. Today we will discuss about the conversion hexadecimal to octal. How we can find out the octal value from the hexadecimal value. Okay, so let's take an example. So an example, suppose we have one hexadecimal number, that is AE5 base of 16 to octal. This number we have to just find out. So first we will convert this value into the binary number. How we will calculate? So we will write here AE5 separately, and as we know that E have the decimal value 14 and A has the decimal value of A is 10. Now we will put this value into the series. So in this series we will make a 4-bit combinations. Why 4-bit? Because we have a hexadecimal value. So in 5 we have 0 1 0 1. This is what? This is the value of 5. Okay. Second, we have to find out the 14. So 14 is what? 14. So 8 will come, 4 will come, 8 4 12, and 2 will come, and this will 0. So this is the resultant value of 14. Now 10. So 10, 8 will come, 4 will not come, 2 will come. So this is 10. So now the number is, we have found a number. Number is what? Number is 1010, that is A, 1110, that is E, and 0101, that is 5, and this whole is a binary number. So first we have find out the binary value of hexadecimal. Now we have to calculate the octal number of this binary value. So for that we will calculate and we will make a possible combination of 3 binary values, 3 binary bits in the whole binary number. How? Like this. Suppose this is the binary number. So we make the 3-bit combination, and finally this is 3 value, and we will put these values, these 3-bit values in here. So here now we have to make a 3-bit combination because we have to find out the octal values. So in this we will put first number, that is 101. So 101, and we have discussed earlier that we will calculate and we will add those numbers which will occupy the value of 1. So here the value 4 and 1 occupied the 1, that's why we will add 4 and 1. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So we will write here 5. Second is 100, 100. Here only 4 will be occupied, 1. So 4. So this is what? This is 4. Third is 011, 011. So here 2 and 1, 3. So the value of it is 3, and the last one is 101, 101. So 101. So means 4 occupied 1 and 1 occupied 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 5. So this complete number is our octal number 5345. So we will write here 5345 in octal. Clear? So this is the simple calculations and by using this calculation we will just calculate the conversion from hexadecimal number to octal number. Clear? So you can also try another number. Suppose we will have some number BE7. You can just calculate it. Okay. Another number, suppose CA4. So like these hexadecimal numbers, you can just calculate these numbers, and in terms of these numbers you can just find out any octal number. So I hope you got a conversion of hexadecimal number and to octal number. So that's all for today, and try all these conversions at your own, and if you have any doubts, that you can ask by giving your feedbacks in our comments. So till then, goodbye, have a nice day.